So now let's talk about sales copy and direct response. And ChatGPT is pretty incredible with both of these. So let's first talk about generating copy for making sales. And one of the best tools I found online is this prompt list. And this is over 100 prompts for marketers. So we have things like generating a list of keywords for a new product launch, including long tail and high performing keywords, develop a personalized marketing email campaign for customers, customer segment based on their interest and purchase history, create a chatbot script for a virtual assistant to schedule meetings and manage calendar events. So this is a gold mine. There are so many different prompts in here that you can use if you're selling online products or you're doing any kind of online marketing at all. So I highly recommend going through and really taking what works for you and trying it out in ChatGPT. So that was for sales copy, and now let's talk about direct response. And this is really responding to people that reach out to you online through email, social media platforms. Maybe you're an online instructor and you have a student Q&A section, and this is gonna help you speed up your workflow of getting back to people. So I'm gonna paste in an email that I actually just recently got this week, and I'm going to say, please respond to this email in a professional manner. And I can use whatever types of keywords to change in an inquisitive manner, a professional manner, a friendly manner, all different things. And I can even ask it to, great, generate 2 more options. And rather than taking the time to write all of these out by hand, I can choose from the best pre-written one that works for this specific client and for this specific scenario. So I have so many different options to choose from, and I can change all the criteria in a matter of seconds. So I really recommend checking this out and trying to speed up your direct response workflow with ChatGPT.